This is how to register and verify your Bitget account, Guide for Beginners. Everything you need to know to stay safe. Bitget is one of the rapidly developing cryptocurrency exchanges with a global reach, which constantly keeps up with emerging trends. This exchange has a very large selection of cryptocurrencies, many financial options and trading options, which we will talk about later. Bitget requires identity verification after registering an account. I will show you how to go through this process step by step. Everything should take less than 10 minutes because we will focus on all important matters without any irrelevant time wasters. First of all, I launched the official website. A direct link with a starting bonus for new registered users can be found under this video. I'm going to register button. We can create an account using an email address or phone number. I will use the basic option, that is email address. I provide my email address. I set a password that meets the conditions given below. Please remember to choose a unique password dedicated solely to this platform and refrain from using it anywhere else. And below, there is a place to enter the referral ID. You can use my code. The bonus won't be big, and you'll have to meet a few conditions to claim it, but it's always better than nothing. Then we read and accept the regulations and privacy policy. Finally, we can click Create Account. We need to impose a verification puzzle and enter the verification code that will be sent to our email. All data visible on the screen is covered because after so many years of dealing with cryptocurrencies, I take the issue of security quite seriously. When the code is ready, I click Submit. After that, our account is ready. Then, we see a panel with information about the option to recommend an exchange. Websites of this type use this method to encourage new users to register. Next, we see the main exchange panel. You can take a look at the promotional coupons for new users that you received after registration. Most often, these will be discounts on the turnover commission to be used when trading. To use the exchange, we need to verify our account. Click the Verify button. At the beginning, you can see the difference between various levels of verification. In the vast majority of cases, Level 1 is completely sufficient, unless you plan to become very large whale. In that case, you will need to complete all verification levels. We can read that we will need an ID document and a selfie to complete the process. I go to Verify now. It is possible to continue through the application. If you are using it on a mobile device, you can scan the QR code to proceed. This option will be useful if you do not have a webcam on your computer. I will focus on completing this process on the computer. At the beginning, we choose the country of residence. At this time, we can use ID, passport, driving license, or proof of residence for verification. We will use my ID card for this purpose. After selecting the document, we will see a short form with our personal data where we must provide our name, surname, date of birth, address, and postal code. After completing, click Next. I allow the webcam to run. In the step, I have to place my document against the designated lines and then take a photo if everything is correct. Press Accept. In the next part, we need to set our face in the right position, not too close, not too far, at the level of the line. Follow the on-screen directions. You may be asked to turn your head in a circle. After that, our data and documents are processed. Finally, we land on our main panel, indicating that our application has been verified. It shouldn't take longer than a few hours. For me, it took 15 minutes while filming this material. After verification, your account level will change to Level 1 as shown on the screen. This is all in this material. In the next one, I will show you how to use the Bitget exchange, including how to deposit and send funds, how to trade, use stop loss, and all the other functions. Finally, if you are looking for a complete cryptocurrency training, check out my crypto guide on Udemy. The link is below this video. If you like my material, please leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Good luck!